Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for detailed, no fluff reviews. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best inflatable paddleboard SUP for beginners, the Fayean stand-up paddleboard, model Whale in blue. Whether you're just getting into paddleboarding or looking for something portable and high quality, this one deserves your attention. Let's get right into it. The Fayean inflatable stand-up paddleboard comes in at 10 feet long, 28 inches wide, and 6 inches thick. That size gives a nice balance of agility and stability, perfect for beginners looking to build confidence on the water. It weighs just 16.3 pounds, which is incredibly light, yet it boasts a weight capacity of up to 450 pounds. That means it's not only beginner-friendly, but it also supports tandem paddling or carrying gear for longer rides. Fayean uses an ultra-light double-layer PVC, which gives the board great durability and resistance to wear and tear. Whether you're paddling over river rocks or dragging it on sand, the construction is built to last. On top, you've got a large EVA foam foot pad that's both soft and grippy. It keeps your stance stable while also feeling comfortable underfoot, even for longer sessions. One of the key features that stands out is its portability. The board deflates quickly and folds down into a compact form that fits easily into the included travel backpack. Setup is also a breeze, thanks to the included bidirectional hand pump that inflates the board quickly and with minimal effort. Let's talk water performance. With triple bottom fins, yes, 3 removable fins, you get better tracking, control, and smoother turns. This setup works great across flatwater lakes, calm rivers, and even small ocean waves. Whether you're standing, kneeling, or sitting, the board feels stable under your feet. It glides effortlessly and handles better than many boards in its price range. The value you get here is top tier. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need to get on the water: a high-quality aluminum paddle, bidirectional pump, coil leash, removable fins, repair kit, waterproof phone case, and a durable carry backpack. Everything is color-coordinated with the board's blue whale design, which looks clean and modern. Fayean also backs the product with 30-day hassle-free returns and a 1-year accessories warranty. Their support team is available around the clock to assist with any issues. That's a level of service you don't always see in this price range. If you're a beginner or intermediate paddler looking for an inflatable board that's light, durable, easy to store, and full of value, this is an ideal choice. It's great for casual lake days, exploring rivers, or practicing balance and fitness on calm waters. Even for families or travelers, the portability makes it a win. To sum it up, the Fayean inflatable stand-up paddleboard whale model checks all the boxes: stability, durability, portability, and all-in-one convenience. It's beginner-approved, adventure-ready, and wallet-friendly. Whether you're paddling solo or exploring with your pup or a friend, this board delivers a solid ride without complications. That wraps up our deep dive into the Fayean SUP. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest gear reviews every week. Drop your questions in the comments if you want us to compare this with other paddleboards or gear. Until next time, happy paddling, and thanks for watching Product Critique.